Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video like this, you will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be discussing about how to start freelancing on Clearvoice Marketplace. So if Clearvoice is new to you, Clearvoice is a freelancer website where you can actually uh, offer your freelance skill and find a buyer or a client who are ready to pay you to offer your service for them or help them with their project. And if you have any skill on this any of these categories, so you are the right person that can actually work on Clearvoice freelancing platform. So Clearvoice have different categories where you can actually offer your service on the platform, which we have advertising and marketing, beauty niche category, then business, entertainment, finance, healthcare and sciences, software and technology, and travel and adventure like that. So we also have different kind of roles here, which we have content strategy, copy editor, copywriter, editor, ghostwriter, graphic designer, managing editor, writer, and there is also a types as well, which is kind of like related to or subcategory to categories and the roles as well. So we have blog posts and articles, ebook and guides, white paper, social media posts, so case studies, website copy, infographics, and interview as well. So and there are other content types as well, which is animation, press releases, video, landing page design, or content writing for landing page, email copy, product description, ads, and promotional copy and script as well. So this is how Clearvoice actually works. So it said our content marketing platform is like a playground for content people where brands can outsource fully managed content creation to vetted freelance teams. So let's say for instance you offer a website design and there are some other freelancer like you on the platform, which is Clearvoice, who offer copywriting, graphic design. So a project will be assigned to all of you regarding your particular own skill. So if you are a web designer, this platform will merge you to design a website for a company or a client who is looking for a website designer, and also they will give the copywriting to the right person to work on it, as well as the graphic design based on everything that is needed to complete a particular project which the client actually want. So as you can see here, these are the kind of people that Clearvoice actually work with. So they work for brands, for agency, and for freelancers just like you who is looking forward to work on Clearvoice freelancing platform. So for brand, create better content with vetted, fully managed team of freelancer in 200 business categories. So same thing goes to the agencies and some other uh, pages like that. So if you actually want to hire uh, someone on the platform, so this particular section is just for you, and you can see here the review they have on the platform and the testimonial. So same thing goes as review. So they also have they connect if you actually want to connect with the right freelancer to work on your project for you. So you can also make a request if you cannot find what you're actually looking for on the platform. So and as well there is an option to chat the customer support on Clearvoice if you have any kind of quick question you actually want to discuss with them. So regarding that, if you actually want to get started on Clearvoice uh, platform, so you just click on are you a freelancer here, then it will redirect you to the particular page where you will need to input your first name, your last name, then you click on get started here. So once you click on the get started, so it will require you to submit your email. So you will provide your working email on the platform. So once you profile your working email on the platform, then they will send you a confirmation link to confirm your email before you can get started to set up your profile on clearvoice.com. So, and as well, they will require you to set up your profile just like a CV portfolio in order for buyer to see the kind of person or a freelancer they are actually looking to hire on the platform. So as you can see here, I have tried to set up a page here on clearvoice.com. So this is almost 70%, and I'm looking to, or the platform is looking to around 80 to 90% profile setup to make sure your profile is well standard and it will be feasible to clients who are actually looking to hire you on the platform. So, and if you are trying to set up your profile, so there will be a pop-up on different section here. So you have to click on every section and link up your social media pages to make sure you achieve 80 to 90% CV completion, so that the platform can merge you to upcoming clients or anybody who is actually looking uh, to hire you on the platform. So, and you can also click on improve your CV here if you actually want to improve some section and you don't know how to proceed. So once you click on improve CV here, so you will see some categories which you need to improve so your CV rating can improve as well. So these are ticked already, so I have already connect them, so I don't need to work on any of this again. Same thing goes to see create a CV and do then I think that's all. So the add your bio, tagline, and add category. So those are the things I need to work on to complete this particular section. And also these are add content description as well. So these are the things I actually need to work on to make sure I achieve at least 80 to 90 CV completion on this Clearvoice platform. So after that, then you make sure you always log in to the platform often and often if you actually want to get matched with a client. So regarding that, so you can also check on some other features here on clearvoice.com. So, and as well as solution for business for channels, and if you are looking for to start an SEO, so you can also get into some existing freelancers on the platform, so you see what they're actually doing differently, or if you are working uh, on another freelancing platform already, so you can just copy some of your contents or your profile details, then come here on clearvoice.com and set up your profile to the best taste, and that if you yourself see your profile, you would like to hire yourself on the freelancing platform. Even though if it's not Clearvoice again, no matter how freelancing platform you are working on, you need to make sure your profile look standard and outstanding so that people can actually choose you on their next project. And these are also pricing page. I literally haven't checked on this particular page, but of course I think it's meant for clients only who is looking to hire someone on the platform. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you are looking forward to get started on clearvoice.com, you can use the link in the comment section to proceed, or come to your browser and then type in clearvoice.com so you can get started from there. So the platform is free and you can get started anywhere in the whole world. So, and you can offer any kind of service you actually want to offer on the platform. So if you have any question regarding this video, you can drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe